Today we got a video from Watch Cop Cam, and the title of the video is Police Surprise Scammer Who Thought She Was Unnoticed.
On August 1st, 2025, officers in Illinois were dispatched to Xfinity Mobile in reference to a fraud in progress.
Right now, you and your friend are...
I don't know that lady from a can of paint.
Well, you were both in Schaumburg store together, so... it doesn't matter right now. We're going to have some extra questions for you guys about whatever's going on today back at the police station, so we're going to have some from the bars, alright?
Are you serious? Because I'm trying to start a new line.
Yeah, sorry.
My own service.
There's some issue about the names and the IDs that you guys have that we have to figure out.
My name and that's my real
Yeah,
ID.
these are questions for the police station. These are not questions for the store. So whoever you're on the phone with, can you let them know we have to go? You can call them later.
Okay, the police is saying that I'm being detained. Something about my name. He said something about my name that match my ID, but my name says my name on my ID. Something about my name. He said something about my name that match my ID, but my name says my name on my ID.
Oh, it's way there for a minute there.
Say hi.
I never knew this type of stuff that goes on when I'm trying to start a phone service.
She acting like whoever is on that phone gonna get her out of this situation. Get off that phone, man.
Can you stand up for me, please?
You just take the purse.
Yeah, you can set the purse right there. We'll bring it with you. It's going to come to the station with us. We're not going to go for it just yet.
You just set it down. Space that way for me. Set your phone down. Place your hands behind your back. Bring your hand in a little bit.
So, just so you understand, at this moment, you're under arrest for possessing a fake ID. Okay? Because
Fake ID?
the name on your ID registers to somebody else who is not. So that's why you're under arrest right
The ID that I just gave you?
now. Yep. That's the one.
The one you gave the store.
The store,
Listen, the ID, I didn't even give that, the
This is
store
not-
an ID.
Hang on.
I gave him, the police, my ID.
This is not the time for discussion. I'm just informing you of the reason why you're being placed in handcuffs. The discussion is going to happen at the station. All right. Hi, ma'am. You're Najee, right? Najee, I have a question for you. So, I don't know if anybody's fully explained what's going on to you. I just want to fill you in on the whole situation, all right? You and the other woman that's here, who you say you don't know, I don't know if you do or not, were both at Schaumburg's Xfinity location earlier today. Then you were not able to complete any purchases in Schaumburg, then you came here. Schaumburg Xfinity notified this location to be looking out for you guys. So that's the reason why they notified us that you were here. So we're just investigating right now. There is information given to us by staff that you had a different ID with a different name on it.
No,
You don't have one.
no.
Is it okay if I check your bag
ahead.
to make sure that you don't have an ID like that?
Go
Okay,
ahead.
because that might be some of the confusion right now, okay? So let me check, okay?
Bring it out here. What?
Yeah,
She gave you consent?
she gave me consent.
Well, here's a picture that they scanned this and took a picture of it at Vernon Hills.
It should be on the person or like in her clothes.
In the bathroom?
That's the same photo. That's the same photo that they gave me.
Okay, so there's that too. You good?
And we're just confirming that was here in Vernon Hills,
That-
not in
what do you
Schaumburg,
think?
right? Okay, because that's what I wasn't sure about.
What's this? That's her, the ID, the original
one
ID
with
she gave.
Najee.
Money. They open that up. Anything in there?
Go ahead.
Well, regardless, even photo that they.
Subject out of Minnesota. I got a telephone right now.
Yeah, 10-4. She's on the phone right now.
That's the. This is the ID you should get?
Wait, he's got a different name. Another different name.
So this is her
Still
actual...
still an ID.
Is this her?
It doesn't even look like her, but it's someone else's ID.
Still in possession? That's it? Nothing else?
No, no other IDs. But yeah, we haven't checked her clothing yet.
What's her name? I think it should be this.
We believe that her real name
Yeah,
is
let me ask
Najee. Najee Harris.
I'm gonna name my team that, by the way.
I think it would be really good.
Najee, July 23rd, 1996.
Alright, well, she's got someone else's ID here too.
Ask
So,
whose it is.
all right. So here's the thing. There is a photograph of the ID you presented here.
I never gave them an
There
ID. They
is,
never-
it's photographed, documented with your photograph on it, your picture on the ID.
I don't even want to cut you off. You can run the cameras. You can run the cameras back. Not one time did I give them an ID. They didn't even ask me for an ID. They asked me my name. I told them Williams.
Okay.
They told me to have a seat. Never once did I give them.
Yeah, I'm just explaining what they told me. That's all I'm explaining to
That's
you right
fine, I'm
now.
just
So
saying
I'm not questioning you about it. I'm just telling you, informing you what's going on. Okay? We're gonna
You can run.
take you back.
That's fine.
We're
But
gonna take you back to the station now. We'll ask you formally questions about what happened today. I just wanted to make sure you're informed why we have you in the squad car right now. Why we're going back to the station. Do you understand the reason why? Okay.
Just hang out for a little bit, okay?
Basically, right now, we have some questions for you about the ID, the ID in question that has somebody else's name on it. I'll ask you formal questions and everything after we get situated here. You know, I'll sit down with you in an interview room. I will give you your rights again. You know, I know my partner read them to you while you were in the squad car, but I'll read them to you again, and we'll begin a formal interview about what happened today. But I'm not asking you any questions right now, you know, until we begin that interview. I just want to make sure you're informed on why you're here right now. There is an ID in question that has somebody else's name on it, but your picture on it that you presented, okay? Do you want to talk to me a little bit more before you make some phone calls about everything that kind of played out? So I just want to, you know, there's two things. Number one, this is the picture of you handing the ID to the associate.
Alright, they're talking
okay?
9+ people are fighting.
And then
I'm gonna get multiple units going.
this is the picture of the ID that you handed him. This is the close-up of it, and it has obviously.
Hey. She told him to run the cameras. She told him when she was in the back of the car, hey, you can run the cameras. It don't look like it's in her favor, though. They ran them cameras.
This other person's name, and this is you handing it to him. So that's the reason why there was a discrepancy in the information we were getting, okay? Just so that you understand, because like I said again, this is just sharing the information with you. So there are felony charges approved by the state's attorney against you. So you're gonna have to appear before a judge in the morning. So you stay overnight tonight, and tomorrow morning you'll see a judge to hear it.
Fraudulent document. She's cooked. She's cooked. I don't know why people do that. I mean, well, with phone services, I mean, maybe your credit is messed up or something like that or whatever, but it's just stupid, man. It's stupid. I mean, your credit really got to be messed up for real, because phone services, they don't even, your credit don't got to be like perfect for you to get a phone or for you to get, you know, it could be whatever, maybe a little dinged up or whatever, but I mean, not if your credit is completely shot. If your thing is completely wrecked, then yeah, you're cooked. But yeah, that stuff ain't working. Or, you know, people do that because they're able to get it under somebody else's name or whatever, get a couple of phones, and then they sell the phones for money or whatever. But yeah, whatever. It's a scam. Anyway, cops did pretty good. 5 out of 5 from me. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.